Thank you, Kuya Ayan. To our very own Regional Governor of Davao Region 6, Eagle Kuya Gov Ernst Viva. To the Governor of Davao Region 5, Eagle Kuya Gov Richard T. Chu. Governor of Davao Region 7, Eagle Kuya Gov Nash Camporidondo. To our guest of honor and speakers to be introduced later. To our field director, Eagle Kuya Jiponi Boy Agustin. To our Rossi director, our very own Eagle Kuya Ricky Gabriento. To the president of Royal Davao Elite Prestige Eagles Club, Eagle Kuya Dennis Hiponya. And to all the presidents of different clubs, my fellow kuya, mga ate, bunso, and friends of Eagles, good evening. First, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to all my kuya from Davao Mount Apo Sandawa Eagles Club for your continued support and dedication to our cherished club. I am much delighted that our club has come a long way and remains steadfast despite of many challenges. Of course, we can't be stronger enough without the aid of our support groups, the Davao Mount Apo Sandawa Lady Eagles Club and the Davao Mount Apo Sandawa Junior Eagles Club. And to our club president, the Enrique Hill of Dimasek, Kuya Ricky Gabriento, my heartfelt appreciation and gratitude for your incomparable adoration to our club. You really steered our ship through the right direction, not even bothered by crossing heavy swells and passing through bad weather. Your leadership fosters a culture of zeal and passion. And to our new club members, please always bear in mind the true meaning of Eagleism. According to our Magna Carta, Eagleism is a fraternalism which the primacy of our relationship is brotherhood. There is a quote from Martin Luther King Jr. that we must learn to live together as brothers or perish together as fools. Meaning, our survival and progress in our society depends in our ability to work together and understand each other's differences. We are bound by empathy and fortified by unity. That is the essence of brotherhood. It is very important for all of us that we shall build an uphill growth and establish a strong fraternal ties with our guiding principle of service through strong brotherhood. As Eagle, we are bound to serve not only to our fellow Eagle, but also we are emblazed with the intense mission of service to our country, the people, and the community. We are committed to uphold and nourish the value of family and community to make the world a better and brighter place to live. Always remember that we are Eagles. We are people serving people. Let us spread our love and service. Once again, good evening and mabuhay ang tunay na mga Agila.
Thank you.